Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Fitbit Inspire 3. First, make sure your Inspire 3 is charged to at least 20%. Next, download the official Fitbit application onto your smartphone or tablet. It's available for both Apple and Android devices. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your mobile device and keep your Inspire 3 within a few feet of your phone for the best connection. This simple setup ensures a smooth syncing experience. Now, let's get your data synced. Open the Fitbit application on your smartphone. You'll see the Today tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. To start syncing, simply pull down on the screen from the top. You'll notice a progress bar indicating that your Inspire 3 is transferring its data. This usually takes just a few seconds, updating all your activity and health metrics. If you encounter any syncing issues, don't worry, there are easy fixes. First, try restarting your Inspire 3 by holding both side buttons for about 10 seconds until you see the Fitbit logo. Next, toggle your phone's Bluetooth off and then back on. Also, ensure your Fitbit app is updated to the latest version. If problems continue, a quick restart of your smartphone often resolves many connectivity glitches. Regularly syncing your Inspire 3 offers fantastic benefits. You gain access to detailed insights into your activity, sleep patterns, and overall health metrics. This helps you track progress towards your fitness goals and stay motivated. Furthermore, syncing ensures your device receives important firmware updates, keeping it performing optimally. It's a simple habit that provides a comprehensive and accurate record of your wellness journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.